Hello friends, today we'll have a look on some of the important antonyms. Antonyms are the words with opposite meaning to a given word. Now let us have a look on these antonyms. The first one is good, bad, below, above, dear, cheap, rare, common, refuse, accept, clever, stupid, deep, shallow, wild, domestic, full, empty, strange, familiar. The others are loss, gain, shame, honor, despair, hope, positive, negative, sorrow, joy, optimistic, pessimistic, war, peace, dead, living, lend, borrow, young, old. Some more antonyms are temporary, permanent, forget, remember, thin, thick, blunt, sharp, fearless, timid, vague, definite, victory, defeat, innocent, guilty, black, white, short, long. Some more are high, low, right, wrong, boy, girl, big, small, bright, dull, courteous, rude, clean, dirty, comic, tragic, reward, punish, rough, smooth. Let us see some more antonyms. Brave, smooth, cool, warm, virtuous, wicked, fat, lean, fair, dark, heavy, light, broad, narrow, love, hate, man, woman, fast, slow, wise, foolish, graceful, uncouth, decent, vulgar, entrance, exit, forgiveness, vengeance, civilized, barbarous, ugly, beautiful, freedom, slavery, particular, general, exterior, interior. So this was about antonyms. If you like the video, do hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.